MySQL example on having class and aggregate function. Aggregate functions. A database management an aggregate function is a function where the values of multiple rows are grouped together as an input on certain criteria to form a single value of more significant meaning. The examples are shown below. The main important things in this to be noted are the functions just to be carried out in the having class only. Count, sum, max, minimum, and average. Let's see the example using a table employee, and this example is for average function. Select department ID, average salary from employee, group by department ID. So it has been grouped by the department ID with the salary, the average salary. Average salary is actually calculated automatically. Now using having clause, the same example has been reinforced using a having clause. Having clause is utilized in SQL as a conditional class with a group by clause. This conditional class returns rows where the aggregate function result matched with given conditions only. See the example here. Select department ID, average salary from employee, group by department ID, having average sal greater than 3000. Here the condition is the average salary whose average salary is greater than 3000. So which has been displayed here. Let us see the significance of both where class and the having class in the next slide. Comparing having a where class in SQL. In some cases, you need to filter out the individual records. In such case, we can use where clause. Whereas in other cases, you need to filter the groups with a specific condition. In such cases, you can use having clause. A where clause filter the record tuple by tuple, that is row by row, while having a class filter the whole group. A query may have both classes, where class and having class. Where class applied first and then having class should be applied. Where class restricts records before group by class, whereas having class restricts groups after group by class are performed. Where class can be utilized with select, update, delete, and insert, whereas having class utilized only by select statement. See the differences here. The where class specify the criteria which individual record must meet to be selected by a query. It can be used without the group by clause. Similarly, the having clause cannot be used without group by clause. The where clauses select rows group before grouping. Having clause select rows after grouping. Where clause cannot contain aggregate functions. Having clause can contain aggregate functions. Where clause is used to impose conditions on select statement as well as single row functions and used before group by clause. Having clause is used to impose conditions on group by functions and is used after group by clause in the query. See the example here. Select column average column from table name where column name greater than value group by column name. This is syntax, so you can apply in any of the table.